Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, kumno pilong. I am fine, thank you. How are you? Ngabiang kublay pipan. I am good, thank you for asking. Ngabiang kublay bapikli. What is your name? What is your name? Kaay kakerteng jong pi. My name is John. What is your name? Ngakerteng John. Pikerteng kumno. My name is Mary. Nice to meet you. Ngakerteng Mary. Sutanat panyakandu pi. Where do you live? Shanu pisa. I live in Shillong. Ngasa ha Shillong. Where are you from? Piwan na shanu. I am from India. Ngaday na India. How many people are there in your family? Don katnongot hakalong ying jong pi. There are 5 people in my family. Don sangot kibrio hakalong ying jonga. Do you have brothers or sisters? Pidan ki parasinrang ni parakantay? Yes, I have 2 brothers. Oot, ngadan arngon ki parasinrang. What do you do? Pi trey ayu. I am a student. Ngaday ukna puli. I work in a shop. Ngatrey hakadukan. At what time do you wake up? Hakapor katno baji pikitia. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Ngakitia hakapor nriu baji. What do you do in the morning? Pile ayuman step. I am hungry. Nga lak tangan. I am tired. Nga lak tan. I am happy. Nga songkman. I am busy. Nga tabun kam. Thanks for watching. Kublay bapi dang pen. Practice English speaking every day. Persangkaran phareng manka sngi. Small steps make big progress. Kisinjam kibarit kipen urlong jingkiyo shaprang. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Ngan kendo ipi hakalan ng kabanwan. Tata.